Hrithik Roshan donates huge amount for people's welfare. The whole world is currently going through a pandemic virus and many countries are badly affected by it. As per the request from Indian government, our country is also locked down for 21 days to prevent the spread of deadly virus. Most of the Bollywood stars have come forward to aid the current situation by donating money. As responsible citizens, Bollywood celebrities have decided to support the Indian government with financial help. Many Bollywood celebrities also help the government by providing most needed amenities at this situation. Hrithik Roshan is one of the first Bollywood celebrities who came forward to help the Indian government in this situation. The Greek god of Bollywood has decided to donate a huge amount of 20 lakhs for the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation. The actor always wanted to help the workers of Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation, so he never thought twice when this time he got the chance to help them. The actor took his Twitter handle to announce that he was donating money for the welfare of the workers at BMC. The actor thanked Aditya Thackeray and Shri Praveen Pardesi in his tweet for giving him the opportunity to help Mumbai government. Hrithik told people through his tweet that it is every citizen's duty to help the needy people this time. He asked people to do whatever it takes to ensure the safety of the fundamental caretakers of our city and society. The actor has given N95 and FFP3 masks for the workers of Brihanmumbai and other caretakers. The actor donated 20 lakhs which will be used to provide the N95 and FP3 masks for BMC workers and other caretakers. Hrithik also made a tweet requesting people not to make the representatives of various labs wait when they visit to collect sample. The actor is currently living with his ex-wife Suzanne and their kids Rehan and Ridan. They decided to stay together at this time of lockdown because they do not want their kids to get deprived of one of them. Recently, they celebrated their son Rehan's birthday and through video call, other members of their family joined them. Many Bollywood stars also donated huge amounts to the Prime Minister's Relief Fund and the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. People are applauding the stars for their initiative to help the government in providing necessary amenities. But our former skipper of Indian cricket team got badly trolled for his donation. Well, MS Dhoni donated 1 lakh rupees to Prime Minister's Relief Fund and received backlash from people. The cricketer's net worth is around 800 crore and he donated just 1 lakh rupees which made people angry and trolled him badly. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.